नमस्कार केबी क्रिएशन पंडा सर यूट्यूब चैनल को प्रीति भरा अभिनंदन। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे we will discuss about preposition. Preposition is very important in English language. Let us start the topic preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun, pronoun or noun phrase to some other part of the sentence. It shows relationship among words in the sentence. The relationship include direction, place, time, cause, manner and amount. For example, Sita went to the market. Here, to is a preposition which shows direction. They came by bus. Here, by is a preposition which shows manner. Is not it? Prepositions are a various type. We will have a look at three types of preposition: simple, compound, and phrasal preposition. Let us start simple preposition. Simple prepositions are short or little words that express relationship including those of space, time and degree. Simple prepositions are words like in, on, at, about, over, under, of, for, to, etc. Yet is a common preposition with two main meanings. Firstly, it indicates a position in space. Secondly, indicate a point in time. Position in space, point in time. For example, my mom is sitting at the sofa watching television. At the concert starts. The cricket starts at 6:30 in the evening. By refer to position, way of doing something in taking of transport, etc. By. Let us see. For example, they drove by my uncle's village. The thief must have run away by the back door. Tom goes to the office by metro. Isn't it? Next, for. For indicate a recipient of beneficiary, a special purpose, the intended result of an action. For example, I have bought a present for you. What are you looking for? I will need a new jacket for the winter. It is right, isn't it? Okay. Next, compound preposition. Compound prepositions are generally formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. Compound prepositions are words like without, within, inside, outside, into, beneath, below, behind, between. Between indicate separation of two things, a choice of together. For example, she sat between her two kids. The train will arrive between 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Is not it? Next, into. Into means the inside or interior of direction toward against. For example, he looked into the distance. She went into the building. The car crashed into the tree. Isn't that it? Okay. Next, within. Within indicated length of time less than a distance, not outside a place, possible not exceeding the limit of something. For example, I live within 3 miles of the main city. He will return within a week. The teacher said that fear lies within us. Next, phrasal preposition. Phrasal preposition. Phrasal preposition are formed by a combining a verb with a preposition. Phrasal preposition are because of, by means, by means of, because of, by means of, with regard to, on behalf of, instead of, in spite of, on account of, in opposition to, for the sake of. Is it? For example, in spite of his poor health condition, he worked all night. In spite of use. He acted according to the advice of the lawyer. According to the school was closed on account of heavy snowfall. Isn't it? The judge refused to grant him bail. Refused to. The preposition is used: simple preposition, compound preposition, and phrasal preposition. The 3 types of preposition used. Some question for you. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct simple preposition. She was asked dash sit on the sofa. She was asked to sit on the sofa. He fell dash the ladder and injured himself. She fell off the ladder and injured himself. Somebody is dash the door. Somebody is at the door. I found the kid hiding dash the bed, under the bed. They all sat dash the bonfire, around the bonfire, around the bonfire. Thank you, friends. Subscribe my YouTube channel, KB Creation Pandasar YouTube channel. God bless you.